All right, first thing you want to do, open the glove box. If you have a bunch of stuff in it, that's okay. It can stay in. See if I can get a light on it. Right here is a little rod that we want to push off, just like that, and it can just get pushed out of the way. Then, on the side of your glove box, we want to push that in or towards the middle. We just want to squish the sides in and then pull out. Let me back you out just a smidge. So we want to grab this side here, grab the other side, and just push in. This plastic's pretty flexible, and that's it. Now we can pull it down just a little, hold on to the stuff inside, and it should pop completely off. Just pull towards yourself, just like that. We're just getting these little claws off of the dowel. We can set that aside, and let me show you inside. So right behind here is our cabin filter. We have two places that need to be released. So we just pinch right here, pull out. Same here, pinch, pull out, and then this comes down. This is the cabin filter. We just slide it out, just like that. Nice, this one's good and dirty. Now let's get our new one, slide it in. All right, here's our brand new filter. We just want to match it up with the old one, make sure they're the same size. Now there are two different instructions depending on the brand you get. This one orients it based on airflow. So the air here gets sucked in and it moves down and around. So in this direction, this would be correct. Airflow facing down. Now some just say the word up, and that we'd want the arrow facing up. So just depending on the brand, it may tell you one or the other. Now we just slide it in, just like that. Perfect. We'll get our cover, we'll slide it in. There's two little notches it needs to go in up top, and then we'll just click it in, just like that and that. Perfect. That's it. Let's throw our glove box back on. We'll just grab our glove box, hold everything inside, put those claws back on, like that. Push in. All right, push up. There we go, now it's locked. And then we can just get this rod back on, pull it down with your fingers, and then lock it over. Just like that. Done. Good job. Cabin filter changed. You can easily get these at your local auto parts store, but I'll also have a link in the description for one you can get from Amazon. Thanks for watching.